Hansel and Gretel, The Search for Youth. Brothers Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm collected a plethora of stories in Central Europe in the early 1800s. Their tales often included some type of moral message, but also reflected the grueling and often cruel life of Central Europeans during this period. The Grimm's Hansel and Gretel is a story of two siblings who battle starvation, abandonment, and an evil cannibalistic witch. Although the tale imparts many themes on the reader, its simplistic nature does not allow for a detailed explanation of all these themes. Specifically, this fairy tale does not explain the cause of the evilness of the wicked witch. In his 2013 film, Hansel and Gretel Get Baked, Dwayne Journey stayed true to the darkness of the original, as well as several of its central themes, including good versus evil, cannibalism, and gluttony. Journey also put a comical and rebellious spin on the story, making slight adaptations in an attempt to appeal to the modern viewer, including continuous use of marijuana. However, the only major adaptation Journey made was the implementation of a new theme entirely, the immoral vehicle to youth. The introduction of this theme explains the cause of the witch's cannibalistic madness, intensifies the terror of the tale, and shifts the central message. Although the Grimm's Hansel and Gretel lacks complexity, it does present a significant central message. As recorded by the Grimms, the evil witch baits the abandoned children with her housemate of goodies and prepares them to be eaten. Throughout the tale, the story focuses on the characteristics of Hansel and Gretel. Because Hansel and Gretel are just children in the story, they are representative of morality and young innocence, the direct opposite of the evilness symbolized by the witch. Although young and innocent, Hansel and Gretel display superior problem-solving skills and persistence. For example, Hansel stuffed a little pocket of his white coat with pebbles, and then made a trail in order to find his way home after being abandoned in the woods, and repeated this task once again when abandoned in the woods a second time. Gretel also displays problem-solving skills as she takes a loaf of bread into the forest so that she and Hansel will not starve, and eventually fools the witch, giving her a push that drove her far into the fire, burning her to death. Hansel and Gretel's demonstrations of problem-solving and determination become a recurring theme throughout the tale. The innocence and resolve of Hansel and Gretel set up a battle of good and evil between the siblings and the witch. It is clear who wins this battle, as the children are rewarded all of the witch's jewels, while the godless witch was miserably burnt to death. By using adjectives like godless, it is obvious that the tale attempts to show the evilness of the witch